it's every day.
Mm. And then you save all where you
I
left?
save not all because data is too big. So sometimes I edit.
You edit. You like edit photo or video?
Video.
Ah, you like video.
Yeah. I bought this about 1 month ago.
Yeah.
About 1
GoPro
month, 2 months
7.
ago.
It launched 1
Yeah.
month or 2 months ago.
Maybe not September or something.
Yeah. Me too. I bought at the time. GoPro 7.
GoPro 7, yeah.
Very good.
Very good. So now it's your holiday.
Yes.
Holiday. You work for a company,
Yes.
but you had asked for vacation.
Vacation.
How long?
Until tomorrow.
Until tomorrow.
Until tomorrow.
Yeah.
How many days?
5 days we
5
here.
days. Ah, 5
So
days.
today is the first day.
First
Tomorrow
day.
is the fifth day.
Fifth day. And you're going back.
Yes. Every day you do bicycle trip.
Every
Every day do you?
every day. Not every day. If I get bookings, I
And
do.
then you do.
I do. So January I did maybe 10-15 times. January.
January.
December a little bit busy.
Oh really? December is cool.
Cold, but end of December, many people from
Coming.
Asia holiday,
Oh.
like Christmas holiday. So I had
So they're coming.
yeah, December.
They're cold, but they try.
Yeah. But from tomorrow, no, the day after, from February, I only have
Two booking.
three bookings now. Not a lot.
Not a lot.
But I hope I get more. Like
Chinese
people.
And Taiwan people.
Yeah, they are New Year's.
New Year's.
Chinese New Year.
February.
February.
I think people are coming a
I
lot
think
in
so. I think so.
here.
I
Yeah,
think so.
you don't have to
I
worry.
think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's cold.
Yeah, cold.
Cycling.
Yeah, cold.
So now I'm going to take you to the park. And first, maybe you should visit the big Buddha
Buddha.
Todaichi temple. You don't have to, but I think it's worth go inside.
Inside.
You can go
Good.
inside. You pay 600 yen,
Yeah.
but I think it's worth it. I
Buddha.
think. Some people don't go inside, but most of people go inside. I think it's worth it.
Buddha. Japan is Buddha country.
Buddha country, yeah. Buddha country, yeah. Korea also.
Yeah. Buddha. My mom believed Buddha.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
So
many
go to
times-
temple?
Yeah, many
a lot?
times.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, many times.
Many times.
Yeah. We go
Oh, yeah.
many times.
Many times.
108 times.
108
The
times.
Chinese,
Oh,
yeah.
I know.
Yeah. Japan.
108 times on New Year's Eve,
Yeah.
December 31st.
Yes.
They ring the bell, big bell.
Big bell.
108 times.
Really?
Yeah, 108 times.
Wow.
So 108 is very important in Buddhism.
Yeah, because number 8 is very lucky. 108. What does it mean? I forgot.
I forgot. I will Google.
Yeah, Google
it
next time.
when you are inside of the.
Bye.